Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Afsisterwig. I collaborated with them in the past before, so I'm really excited to come and show you guys this wig. This is their new and improved highlighted wig. They did this wig so you guys will not give your hairstylist any problems with highlighting your wig. It's super quick and easy to put on. I did not bleach the knots at all, so you guys are going to see how I made them look kind of invisible as much as I could. And I feel like that's really good because then your wig is not going to shed as much as if it was bleached, so it's going to last you longer. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, let's get right into this video.
Back home, illegal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, this lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it now, you gotta show me. You gotta bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I show you how to got it. If you really wanna fall till you fall and your back against the wall, and a bunch of need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it all day. Yeah, got a murk on me in a hallway. Got a sticky and a stupid at my dark place. Girl, I left you love it, magic, now it's all shade. Still going bad on you anyway. Whoa. I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you f***ing with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bands all on your head like Jason Terry. Whoa. Rich and Millie cause a Lambo. Known to keep the better, drunk commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I been in my way out here, yeah, no that's facts. You ain't living that you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got to ask when you see me, no I'm straight. DCOVO, we back again, we going back. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how to got it.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Afsisterwig. I will have the links in my description box below. And if I have a coupon code, I will put it there as well. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. And this is how the wig turned out. Super, super pretty. It's a nice length. The length is 22 inches. So it's very natural looking. It's not too long. And it's lightweight. It's very lightweight. The part goes all the way back here, so it's like a 13 by 6. Absolutely love that because then it gives you more of a natural feel. But the side is not as far back, but it's still fine. This is how the edges turned out. This is how the lace is looking. I think this wig turned out really good because if you're a beginner and you don't know how to customize your wig, I did not pluck it and I did not bleach it, just install. So if you want to follow along with me through this video, or if you did follow along with me, make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know if I helped you out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.